Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. Welcome, my name is Jasmine, and today we're going to be opening a box, the premium box for February 2023. I'm going to give you guys the retail value. I can't give you much information about the product since I did not receive the card. This is the card that I got inside. I think this is the theme, but there's nothing really in the back. It just says epic news is coming. What I'm just gonna do, guys, is play with the products, try them out, and just give you my first impression as I tried it, as I opened this box. So when I get started at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you the retail value, and also I'm gonna share the spoilers for the premium box, since that is coming up. Choice date is coming up. It's gonna open on Monday. I believe it's February 6th. So I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So I'm gonna put that at the end of this video. The unboxing, the box for the premium box for this month. Like I said, I think this is the theme. I'm not sure. So I think it's treat your heart out. I believe it is. And in the back, it does say epic news is coming. We got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you all about it. So I don't know if everybody's going to be getting this in every box, in base or premium. So this is very exciting to know that something new is coming. The biggest beauty news of the year. I don't know what to think. I don't know. Guys, I really can't think what the news might be. Let me know what you guys think about for that. So the first product I want to share is the first one that I tried. So the first product I got is from Beauty Bakery, and this one is the butter, and it's a Hydra Silk Primer. I love how it blends, and as I talk about the product, since I don't have much information, I'm gonna show you as I try it out so you guys could see how it is. So you guys get to see it a little bit right there. And guys, even when you apply it, it applies like butter but not oily in any sense. It's very smooth and it does blend like nicely. I don't know if it does matter if you do have skincare, and I feel like when you do have skincare and moisturizer, I feel like your skin, it's a little bit smooth in a sense, so maybe that does help blend it out. But I do like that it did not feel oily. Now, will it hold my makeup for a long time? Maybe I'll post a picture later on in the video to see how this primer works. But so far, I feel like it's a one that I could grab really quickly and apply it. So if you guys like this type of primer, if you tried it, let me know. But let me tell you, Beauty Bakeries is one of those brands that I really like their makeup. So this one is really interesting and I like the concept. Moving on to the next item that I did play with, and I was impressed to see this in the box. I don't know, sometimes there's a hit and miss with some of the palettes. Last month palette I wasn't happy with, so I was kind of like a little bit down. I'm like, okay, another palette, when before I used to be so excited to receive palettes, and that was the palette we got from Wonder Beauty. But this one is from Ciate London, and this one is called Royal Edition, and I'm gonna put, guys, the price in the bottom as I do a little research to give you the total, so then at the end I could give you the retail value. And this one has 24-piece eyeshadow palette. I started using the shadows, and first I do notice they're very, very pigmented, even the lightest shade. But this one I started with Prince, and it was very, very good, very good. I didn't have to put a lot, and I'm like, oh, I like this because it's making applying the makeup a lot smoother and quicker. Then I went with Noble, another shade that I was very impressed with, and then I finished it with Crowning Glory. All three blend really nicely. I love how they came out. Then I used a Q-tip with this micellar water from Avant. I mixed it, and with the Q-tip I cleaned out the bottom part, and then I used eyeshadow primer. Once what I wanted to do was let it set and dry. I applied the rest of my makeup, and then I continue with the eyeshadow makeup look, which I'm showing you guys how it came out. And then I wanted to start from the outer area with the darker tones that I used. So I went back to the darker one that I used, then I went back to Noble, and I kind of did it like in a slanted look. So once I applied the eyeshadow primer, in those areas I applied 2 mattes and then 2 shimmers. So then the shimmer, I wanted to kind of have a green. Since I'm wearing green, I'm like, you know what, let me try the green tone, and that's the only one that I see here. And this one's called Palace Gardens. Oh my gosh, I love that shade. I am so impressed how it came out. I love how this eye makeup look. This palette, I'm like, oh my god, I feel like this palette is a palette of the year. I love the pigmentation. I love how they blend, even the mattes with the shimmers. it was like, I'm just happy with how this eye makeup look came out. And then I finished it with Tiara. Just even the names are so royal, so pretty. And guys, this palette is a keeper. I really like it based on the shades and the shadows that I use. So then we're gonna move on with my makeup. So the next thing that I applied was this, something else that is giving me Royal Garden, Eloise. You're gonna see that these are the Secret Garden blush and glow palette. It has 4 tones here. I only got to swatch 2 because I didn't know which one I was gonna pick, so I swatched these 2. And guys, look at this. I love this royal box, the theme that we're going with. This is so pretty, and it comes with a mirror, just the packaging outside too. And it's crazy because I'm starting to work on my garden outside. I'm starting to, I don't know, start with some flowers, and I just feels like this is talking to me, and I just can't wait to start seeing some flowers bloom. So I just love this, that I could add both makeup, the love of makeup, and the garden in one. Is just perfect. It's so pretty. So guys, what do you guys think of this palette? It's so pretty. And I'm gonna be putting also the price down here. Then moving on, we received this one. I will say that I feel like I went back in time a year exactly ago. Here, my base box year 2022, I went over every box, every theme that I received, and which one is the products that I'm still using. I did that video in December, and this was one of the products that I mentioned that I did like last year. This came in handy. It was a perfect brush for me when I was traveling. It really helped me. I mean, those 4-in-1 I really did use. So that's why I'm saying that I feel like I went back in time, because I received the same product, but it was in the base box last year in February, around this time last year, but it was a different box. So maybe there's a chance for other people that did not receive it, now they get to see it in the premium. But it is a good product. This is 4-in-1 from Ali Oop, 4-in-1 multitasker makeup brush. And I love this. This was really a good saver, and this is perfect on the go. It was really good. So I liked it that much. I mentioned on that video, but I didn't know I was gonna get another one. So this one, it just felt like I went back in time exactly a year ago. Then to continue with the royal treatment, oh my gosh, this product, when I opened it, I was so impressed. It's giving me that vibe of something royal, but also like a fancy perfume. But this is from Ace Beauty, or Ace Beauty Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick. This one is called Manifest, and I feel like every product I have received, I have been very impressed. Even applying this liquid lipstick, it glide on, wasn't sticky. I mean, the word, it wasn't even sticky, it doesn't even feel. This is like the best one so far as well, guys. And when you open it, look how pretty this packaging is. I feel like it should just stay here. It's so pretty, and it's such a good product. I am totally blown away with this lipstick. So I am very impressed. And the last thing that I received was, like I mentioned, everything has been makeup. This is the only thing in this box that is not even skincare, it's body care. And this is from Refreshment's Velvety Body Cream. It's unscented, which I wouldn't mind if it was scented, to be honest. I feel like I like all of them. And this is going to nourish and restore. This one's going to be a 24-hour hydration. It's going to be quick absorbing, it's non-greasy, and is kind to skin. I tried it. It's very soft. It's not greasy, it's not heavy, and I like it. I have tried their razors from Refreshment, and I feel like that is the best razor I've ever tried. So I feel like this is a good brand based on what I've tried, and so far I am liking this body cream. And I feel like, who doesn't need a body cream? And I'm glad that I received it, because guess what, guys, this was the only thing that wasn't makeup in my box. So for this month, I am very impressed, very impressed. I am very happy how my makeup came out. So that's why I could say that this box, it's a keeper. This variation totally impressed me. So Guys, thank you for watching this video. Real quick, I want to tell you about the spoilers and the choice date. So if you guys want to see that, just keep watching just a few minutes. And now I'm going to tell you on this section the retail value of this box. But guess what? It has blown me away. So guys, thank you for watching this video. And I want to share with you choice that is coming. That's going to come on Monday, February 6th. That's going to be the day that choice is going to open, and you know that choice is going to open for base box, also for premium and boxy luxe since the month of March. We're going to be getting all those 3 boxes, or those are the 3 boxes that are going to be available. And the items I want to share so far, we only have one choice. We don't have the second one yet, but just stay tuned because I might do like a quick video and show you guys if anything that does come up. So the first item, we only have 2 products for the choice. As you know, we get to pick 2 different products for the premium box, but so far we only have 2 items, and one of those is Grown Alchemist. This is a balancing toner. It has ingredients that like rose, ginseng, and chamomile, so you know that's going to help calm your skin, and I think that is perfect on a toner. Grown Alchemist is one of those brands that has been so good to my sensitive skin and acne prone skin, so I am just excited to see that product. But also this one is very interesting. This one is something totally different, and I'm glad that they put in this as an option. This one is from the new company. It's called Super Thick, a topical scalp supplement to support scalp health. It reduces shedding and strengthens strands. So that is a big claim. So it does say that it's clinically proven. It has ingredients that it has a patented follicle technology to increase new hair growth. So I'm gonna put the information on this section so you guys could see more. I feel like they're making it very hard with these 2 products, but I just wanted to bring it to you guys also to let you know when choice opens. So guys, thank you for staying also up to this point on this video and just watching the spoilers. I just wanted to bring the spoilers just for the premium box. I'm going to do the same thing for the base box, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for spending some of your time with me, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and until the next video, bye.